for sale, 1974 Pontiac Formula. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 74 Firebird Formula, finished in what looks to be very similar to Lucerne blue, with blue interior. The combination of the car color-wise, outstanding. Quality of the restoration, very, very nice, and you're going to see it as I go around. As always, you know, we're going to go around it, point out anything that I see, tell you what I know about the car, go over the PHS docs, and then we'll fire it up, drive it, and I'll get in for it because it's a factory 4-speed. So let's start here in the front. First off, the bumper, beautifully painted, as well as the little guys down there. The car retains all of its original body panels, floors, front to back, trunk pan, all original to the car. There's no patches. So let's start on this side then here. Going that way. You see a little mark right there. A couple little marks right there. The alignment of the hood. Very nice. There you go here. Let's go on this side now. It's a 400 number matching, factory 4-speed numbers matching, factory Ram Air car. I do see, you might not see them, a couple blemishes right there that look like they kind of are in the clear coat. That should be able to be wet sanded out. And then fiberglass, you see a little seam right there. Well, let me show you the rest of here as I go. The quality of the paint, it's up there. Not gonna lie, beautiful. So let's pop the hood here. I'll show you the engine compartment. First off, attention to detail throughout the compartment, awesome. You got your factory fiberglass hood with, I like to call them your little nostrils that go down, bring the air into the air cleaner. The 404 barrel car, numbers matching, factory air, power brakes with front disc, power steering. Let me just go around here, show you a little bit more of this compartment here. The quality of the metal in here as you go. See the trim tag in place, and you see this beautiful stamping right there. And I saw it, you can't really see it. You see a little stamping on the control arm. That's pretty cool. Zoom back in. Beautiful. Let's keep going here. The only thing that I noticed, it has hooker headers on it. The car sounds fantastic. But anyway, you'll hear that when we get to the running and driving part. It was ordered with the Rally 2s, so those are correct for the car. Fitment of the door to the fender, perfect. The way it lines up is very nice. I mean, the doors don't sag. I know they commonly sag on these kind of cars. Going in, you see even the attention to detail, the blue there. How clean it is in there. Your trim tag is in place there, of course, and you see how nice that is, as well as the, well, the VIN stamp there, but the windshield, your trim around it. Get a close-up on the trim there. The actual original colors of the car was white with black interior and a white Cordova top, which is, didn't even know you could get a vinyl top on this car. What do I do with the keys? Oh no. Oh, they're in there already. Okay. I was ready to go before I knew I was ready to go. You see the tiniest little mark right on the edge of the door. And you're going to see it as I go around it, the attention to detail, you know, color change. There's even like all of that, you know, like new bolts, stuff like that throughout. I'll show you this here. Let's open it up. Something I'm going to highlight, which I've been trying to remember. The metal that you see in that door jamb there. It's very impressive. In addition, the color of the interior, with the combination of, like I said, combined with the outside color, beautiful. Seats, it was ordered with, we'll go over it, it was front and rear console, which is cool. Seats really don't even look like they've been used too much. Nice attention to detail, again, throughout the interior. It looks like it was a Z-Bart car because there's 2 tabs here. Another one there. This one looks like it's missing, but that's where Z-Bart would have drilled and shot protective undercoating into the car, which would explain why the underneath is as nice as it is. Let's hop in now. Kick anything off my shoes. Zoom out. Factory 4-speed radio. The interior all the way around is in excellent condition. Console, same color as the rest of the car. So let's sit here. We'll go over the PHS docs real quick. I'm not going to go over the production numbers because those are just included. Those aren't important. The number that I was told, though, was 1,474 estimated factory 4-speed formula cars. So this is a pretty rare car. 404 barrel V8. Like I said, it was white with black, white top. But here you go. Custom trim group, 4-barrel 400 engine, rear console, wipers, whatever RECW is, steering wheel, mold, sill hood, I don't know, door edge guards, ram air hood, important, air conditioning, important, electronic R wide, mats front, or that's rear, I guess, gauge, 4-speed trans. I'm going to tell you a little something about that. The Cordova top. Keep my hands warm. Safety track rear, console in the front. The Rally 2s, I skipped over the visor. Power disc brakes. It was heavy duty battery, lamp group, mats in the front. Oh, was I even showing that the whole time? I'm gonna go back and pause this. We're good, we're good. Okay. Okay. Carrying on. Headliner, blue, working dome light, excellent condition. Lift the front seat forward here. Nice seat back in the same blue as the rest of the car. Back seat with the rear console. I think that's a nice touch. From my research, the cars would have come with a Muncie earlier in the 74 year. Later model cars would have come with a Borg Warner. And this has its number matching Borg Warner 4-speed in it. VIN stamped on it. I took a picture of that. That'll be on the ad. I know that the cars could have come with a stripe down the side. This could have been a dark blue if you wanted to put that on. I think it looks great without it. The stripe looks a little too 70s for me. I know it's a 74 car, a little too 70s disco kind of a thing. Put your afro on while you're driving it. Back bumper beautifully painted again. You got your bluebird there. See the back of that here too. The way it should be, no speakers cut up. So let's go ahead. We'll pop the trunk open. There you go, stamping on the trunk. Stamping H2O, that's beautiful stamping. There's a nice one. Spare jack. Spatter paint. Original quarters. Awesome trunk pan again, I mean, awesome, awesome, awesome to see. Again, you see even in there how the blue was painted. Get up on those quarters there. See a little mark right there. You see a little mark right in the middle of the door, a little baby chip. Metal. Look at that metal. Crisp. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. The PHS docks, those are included with the car, of course. '74 Pontiac Firebird Formula. 400 4-speed, number matching. Power steering, power front disc brakes, factory AC. Absolutely beautiful colors. Fitment of the door again to the fender, excellent. That's very nice to see as well. So, like I said, we are going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you.
Dude, this car drives perfect, man. Absolutely perfect.
Okay. One lap.
This is a perfect example.
It sounds awesome, too.
It does. It's a beautiful car, man. Yeah, I always wish I had one of these.
If this, I know this is going to sound terrible. If this was an automatic, I would keep it. I can't drive 4-speed.
You will.
It looks like a pretty easy car to shift though.
Oh yeah.
I like the angle of the shifter.
Everything fits you perfect.
Yeah. It's easier though because it like comes to you.
Yeah.
You know, some that are over to the right.
Too short.
Yeah.
This is perfect. Your shifter is like nice and tight. You know absolutely what gear you're in.
I like the one that the Buick has too. It kind of has that same angle.
Yes.
With the handle like that.
The T handle. Man, traffic today.
I'll go when they get there.
This FedEx guy.
I'll cut the FedEx guy off.
Yeah. He's just trying to work.
You got my package? Oh yeah, he's working. That was second gear?
Yeah, it goes up to about 80.
Oh my gosh.
This thing's fast, man.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Oh wow. I know you pat me on the shoulder. You didn't prepare me for that.